Hi there, and welcome to the Autodesk Fusion 360 Beginners course. My name is Alex, and I'll be super happy to teach you about one of the most useful software programs for product design and fabrication that I have ever seen. I use Fusion 360 almost every day, and I'll be really happy to share my experience with you. With Fusion 360, you can create 3D solid designs and also 3D print them. You can also create photorealistic renderings of your design and much more. In the following, I'm going to show you one example. Welcome back to the Autodesk Fusion 360 Beginners course. So we have this rendering stage already set up, and in this course we will be going over every detail, how to do so, and after this course I'm pretty sure you will have a solid understanding of how to use Fusion 360 and what solid modeling is. So you can see we have a photorealistic image right here. You could save this as a normal image on your computer. And in this course, I'm going to explain you how to do that. We will also learn how to actually create this box, of course. And most of your time you will spend in the design environment to design a model like that. We will be going over how to make some animation like this and how to create this object. So we'll go over how to make these ribs, how to make these cutouts for the O-ring, how to make this snap mechanism, also how to connect the lid to the box right here. All that stuff. We'll also be using the timeline. This is a really important feature of Fusion 360 because if you have a bigger project and you made a mistake, you want to go back in the timeline before you create a whole new model. So sometimes you can go back in the timeline, fix your problem, and go back again and continue with your design. And we'll make also similar shapes to this lamp. We'll be using a sweep to make this cable right here, and something called the sculpt or form environment to create this shape right here. You can see this was made in the form environment, which has these purple solid bodies. Okay, and yeah, so we will learn everything so you can do this by your own at the end of this course. If that sounds good to you, I hope I see you in the next video.